Hi everyone! If you're tired of eating boring oats every morning, this crispy oats and lentil pancake might become your new favorite breakfast. Let's make it! Start with 1 cup of lentils and 1 cup of rolled oats. Rinse them well and soak for 30 minutes. Once softened, transfer everything to a blender. Add a little maple syrup, dried red chili, garlic, and fresh lemon juice. Blend until smooth. Pour the batter into a bowl. Season with salt and mix in half a tablespoon of baking powder. Add your favorite finely chopped vegetables. Give everything a good mix. Lightly grease a pan with oil. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds over the pan. Pour the batter on top and spread it evenly. Cover and cook over medium heat until golden. Flip and cook the other side until crisp and beautifully browned. Transfer it to a serving plate. Top it with plain yogurt. It's a simple, satisfying breakfast that's perfect for busy mornings. Save this recipe and let me know if you'll be trying it.